Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we're working on a 2008 BMW 535i. We will show you how to remove the center console along with the armrest. We'll show you the steps and tools required to do that job. We have removed some parts already, which are pretty self-explanatory, such as the rear vents and the cigarette lighter cover here. Done that. The tools we'll be using today, I'll be using a driver with a quarter extension. This is a 20 torx. We got a quarter ratchet, a 10, a 7, a tack remover. Let's get started. We start by removing the shifter trim and the knob. You take this tool, pops out, both of them pop out. Just be careful not to scratch the wood trim or the wood plate here. Once it comes out, this comes out here. This pops out. You're good to go here. Secondly, we go to the side. There's a carpet cover. This cover slides this way. Whoops. This way here, and it comes out. As you can see, it's held by those clips down here. That's gonna expose 7mm bolts. Take that out and do it on the opposite side as well. We come to the center here. This is the e-brake. Pull it all the way up. This leather cover pops out. Then we come to the back. You're gonna remove the air vents here, and the cigarette lighter panel comes out, disconnected from the back. Back here, you'll see two 10mm bolts, 1 and 2 right there. The tool that I used, it's this quarter ratchet with the 10mm. You're able to reach the bolts here on both ends. With the shifter plate removed, you will see 3 20 torx bolts, 1, 2, and the top here, 3. With all those bolts removed, you can now come back here and lift it up, and the whole assembly should come out. Just be sure to pull the e-brake all the way up so you're able to pull this out. It takes some maneuvering around, but eventually the whole assembly comes out. Just be sure to disconnect all the connections underneath it. At this point, you should be able to start removing some pieces off the center console. If you want to replace this trim here, you can do it now. Since you removed the bolts here, this unit just pops out. Just like this. Be sure to press this button here. When you press this, you're able to lift it from back here, and it comes out. If your current wood trim has cracks, this is the process to replace it. You can also remove and replace the navigation knob controller here by turning the assembly over and removing 4 20 torx bolts. At this time, you can also proceed to remove your old armrests and panels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove 5 torx bolts underneath this panel here, and you'll be able to remove this. This trim at the end holds the locking mechanism that keeps the armrest in place. As you push down, it holds it. So if this goes bad, then now you know how to replace this unit here. You got 2 8mm bolts here. Once you take those 2 out, the rear padding comes out. With this cover removed, you'll see 2 30 torx bolts. However, before taking those out, flip the assembly over. You come down here and you remove the center bolt, 30 torx. Once those 4 bolts have been removed, you can flip the assembly over. Remove these 2 30 torx. And once you do that, you can just wiggle the armrest out. You have to slide it out this way because there is a, if I pan in here, there's this tab right here that needs to go out that way. this way here. At this point, yeah, you lift it up and you pull from here in the back. Let me get two hands here. There we go. And that's the lever that I was mentioning before. And that's how you remove your armrest, along with the padding, along with all the other components that make up the center console. If you have any questions, comments, please let us know. Be sure to subscribe and like our video. If you need any parts for your BMW E60, please let us know. Visit our website posted below. It is your purchases that allow us to make these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. You have an awesome day. You take care.